Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your Motorola Signature. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume during a call using the side buttons. So, as you guys can see, here we have the call volume. We can adjust it. We want to make sure that it's up to the max. Now, what else can we do? We can go over into the settings, and here in the settings, we want to go to sound and vibration. Now here we also have the call volume, and as you guys can see, it's up to the max. So now we do not need to worry about it. What we want to do next is we want to disable the Bluetooth. So we want to go to connected devices, now go to connection preferences and select the Bluetooth. Here we want to disable the Bluetooth to rule out any connected devices, as I've said, because whenever there's a device connected, then the audio may be routed there instead of our phone, and we definitely do not want that. Now, what else can we do is we can test another call or an app. So if we use the phone app right here, then maybe it's time to use something else like WhatsApp or Instagram or anything that supports the call system. Now, what you guys can do is restart the phone next. So just tap the power button and the volume up button at the same time, tap restart, and now the device is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do is make sure that you check for software updates. So open up these settings, and then what you guys need to do is scroll a bit down until you see system updates. Here you want to click check for updates, and you need stable Wi-Fi connection for this, so make sure that you do have it. Now as you guys can see, it's finishing the update now. So I am on the latest version, so it was updating, but now it's done. But if you do have a button to update your Motorola, then make sure that you do that, because it's very important to keep up with the latest updates. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.